in previous parts I promised you to show a solution that I'm doing here for water flood detection. In this, I remind you, open console board. In this place where I have autopilot pump, autopilot computer, so I want to detect when water comes here during rains and be informed by phone call or text message. Also, I have precise sensor compass there, and I already have solution for water detection, which is flood sensor. It covered in some of other parts. If I remember, I will put the link actually here. You can see this solution. Yeah, it's quite simple. When water rise, then you get notifications. It will be installed here for the second battery. But now let's get back to this place, and here, if you remember, I promised to show in detail this sensor, iSocket water sensor for poor water detection, rainwater, distilled water, because rainwater is poor, distilled water. You cannot detect this electrical way. You should use so the sensor with photo element, and that's the right model. So because iSocket has solutions for like just water sensor, liquid level detector, that one, and flow detection is something that I don't have, and then water leak. So, and this pure water detection, that's one we need here. So, and this model is good also because it has places for screw for installation to the wall to detect some when neighbors upstairs flooding you, like I am flooding with my English right now. So I will use that hole because then I can install it to this profile. So I was thinking which way I put it. And I selected this one where element will be opened. Otherwise, if I put it like that, I'm afraid that some stuff, for example leaves, will touch this and then it will be false alarm. So I want this to be opened, so it will be installed this way, and then this angle, this profile will go, I decided not here but under that. So that's the way how it will be installed. So it will be installed on some distance there, on the distance where I consider the water is critical. Yeah, so something like that. So that's how I'm going to do this. I will show you either some part of the process or final result. Let's see, I don't know yet. And then it's just about connections, so it's totally different things. I have a playlist for electric network in this board, and me a network and everything, so you can watch that playlist. Let's go to install it now. And I'm going to check it that I didn't damage anything by so strong heating here. So I will put this to water, and yeah, so it's connected to iSocket. I don't show you any dashboard, but I know that this slow blinking of green indicates alarm function enabled, and when there is alarm it will start blinking quickly. So I'm going to put this into water. Yeah, and now I'm checking. Yeah, so I can see alarm. Yeah, I will receive text message or voice call, but now I'm just testing. So I removed it. Yeah, slow blinking, no alarm anymore. So I haven't damaged anything. Good. So that's how I fixed it here, not by reverse, because it's quite difficult from the opposite side of this plastic wall. So yeah, That's the level that should not, in my opinion, give false alarm in case of low water level here, but it will inform me definitely when the level is here and touch the sensor there, photo element there, and I can easy clean with the finger there if some stuff will stick and will be giving continuous alarm. Guys, this short video will be just about this iSocket water sensor installed there. Like, subscribe, and see the project about autopilot and everything in my special playlist for this. Bye.